In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record payroll expense journal in online QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to set up the right accounts, post a clean payroll journal entry, record your tax payments when they're made, and reconcile everything to your bank so your books stay accurate and tidy. First, sign into your QuickBooks account and confirm your payroll accounts are ready. Go to Settings, then Chart of Accounts, and choose New to add any accounts you're missing. You'll want 3 expense accounts: wages, expense for gross pay, payroll tax expense for the employer portion of taxes, and employee benefits expense if you track benefits costs. You'll also need liability accounts for withholdings and amounts you owe, payroll liabilities, federal withholding payable, and state tax payable. Creating these separate buckets keeps reporting clear, helps you see what you actually owe, and prevents payroll costs from getting lumped together. Next, create the payroll journal entry. Click the plus new button and select journal entry. Enter the payroll date. Use the check date or the period end date your company prefers for consistency. Now build the entry. Debit wages expense for the total gross pay. Debit payroll tax expense for the employer taxes such as the employer's share of Social Security and Medicare, and any employer-paid state or federal unemployment taxes. Then credit payroll liabilities for the total employee taxes withheld. This is the portion taken from employees' paychecks that you're holding to remit to the agencies. Finally, credit your bank account for the net pay, or credit a payroll clearing account, if you use one, to group the payroll withdrawals that will hit the bank. Add a helpful memo with the pay period, verify debits equal credits, and select Save and Close. When you actually pay the payroll taxes, record that payment so the liability clears. Click plus new, choose journal entry, and debit payroll liabilities for the tax amount you remitted. Credit your bank account for the same amount. If you pay multiple agencies, you can use separate liability lines to reflect each category, but the total should match what left the bank. Lastly, reconcile with your bank activity. Go to Transactions, then Bank Transactions, and match the payroll withdrawals to the journal entry or to your payroll clearing movement. Each month, reconcile under Accounting, then Reconcile, comparing to your bank statement. This step confirms every payroll dollar is accounted for and prevents duplicate expenses from sneaking in. That's it. Your payroll costs, liabilities, and cash movement are all captured cleanly in QuickBooks.